Mr. Reed, I want to chat to you.
My days, fam.
I was just called for my playground duties because you was fighting, mate. What's going on?
Oh, you hit me first.
I'm gonna have to call your parents this time. It's enough. I'm gonna have to, mate. Sorry, I'm gonna have to call your parents.
Boy, why are you always calling my parents?
I'm gonna have to, mate.
Can't tolerate this behaviour, mate.
please don't
I just
call
have to
my
call
dad again,
your...
you're
Where's your father?
Mr. Simit, good evening.
Nice to meet you again. But we can't tolerate this sort of behaviour. I'm gonna have to expel your son. Because he's had a fight now for the second time this week. The last time I spoke to you, you said that this wasn't gonna happen again. You said that you was going to speak to your son. He's been fighting twice.
Mr. Simit, hold on. You really fight?
Mr. Reed.
Better say me killing yesterday, Jaden.
Don't worry about Jaden. I will deal with Jaden for myself. Take off this off your bum buck like